Hey you, it's Sunjung from Hungry Gopher. After getting over 7 million views on my YouTube videos, I keep getting similar kimchi questions. So this video, Kimchi Myth Buster series, is to help you to answer some of your burning kimchi questions. Kimchi is spicy. Can't eat it. Any substitute? If you don't like spicy food or you can't eat nightshade vegetables such as red peppers, because you have weak gut, then I understand. I was there. When I had a lot of digestive problems, such as bloating problems and stomachache and acid reflux, I had to remove red peppers out of my diet. Great news for you. There are more than 180 different types of kimchi in Korea. So you can pick and choose what you like and then what fits you. For example, I ate white kimchi, non-spicy kimchi, and water kimchi, which literally takes 10 minutes to make, probably with the ingredients that you already have in your refrigerator. And those are the ones that I ate when my food sensitivity was really high and my skin issues were really bad. And when I give kimchi demos, this water kimchi got a nickname of probiotic shots because the attendees love drinking the brine so much. So I really highly recommend you try that one if you haven't already. This way, you can reap the benefits of the superfood kimchi without risking your health or sacrificing the flavor. Hi son, yes, I feel much better after introducing kimchi into my diet 1 month ago. I've used the water kimchi broth and veggies on their own with rice noodles and in a Philly cheesesteak. Awesome new flavors. Past 2 days, I just pluck out a few daikon from the broth to replace other usually snacks way better than potato chips. Eat a type of kimchi that you like. So what can you do? Follow the link below this video that you can get top 3 easy kimchi recipes to boost your health and heal your gut and to get clear skin, and visit 𝙒𝘼𝙏𝙏𝙗 for more information. And you can invest as little as $5 to get the exact recipes that I used for non-spicy kimchi, white kimchi, and water kimchi. Follow the link below this video so you can make your kimchi adventure very easy, simple, and safe, and tasty. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Discover more kimchi recipes and health and wellness tips at 𝙒𝘼𝙏𝙏𝙏𝙗.com.